Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draw and insert arrows in Google Docs using 3 easy methods. This is super handy if you want to highlight text, build flowcharts, or make your documents more visual. Once you have your Google Doc open, place the cursor where you'd like the arrow to appear. One quick method is to use the Insert menu and choose Special Characters. Simply search for arrow, and you'll find a variety of styles. Just click the one you like, and it will instantly appear in your document. Another option is through the Equation tool. By going to Insert and selecting Equation, you'll see an arrow menu with plenty of different arrow symbols, often used in math or technical writing. Choose the one that works for you, and it will be added directly to your document. If you prefer more flexibility, you can also use the Drawing tool. Just go to Insert, select Drawing, and create a new one. From the Shapes menu, choose an arrow style, then draw it out. You can resize it, rotate it, or change the color to fit your document style. Once you're happy, click Save and Close, and the arrow will appear as an image inside your file. And that's it! 3 easy ways to insert arrows in Google Docs, whether you need symbols, equations, or fully customizable shapes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check out the description for related guides. Thanks for watching.